Okay, so I'm going to show you one of our new bits of cardio kit. We've got the SkiErg or the Skier, really great piece of cardio, but also great for the shoulders and for the quads. So what you need to do, look at this bar. This is kind of the trajectory with which we want the arms to go down. So you've got to grab onto the green handles. You're going to stand back into a nice shoulder width apart stance, so squat stance. Basically, all you're going to do is reach up and pull down with the handles, bringing the handles into our hip pockets, so it looks a bit like this. Like so, and you'll very quickly get a nice sweat on. I'm short, so what I do at the top there is I go on my tiptoes so I can get maximum pull on the cables. But it's just kind of getting a nice feel for it. Main thing, get that nice squat stance, pulling in rather than down, and yeah, have fun.